Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Bitcoin is completing an Elliott wave structure on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that this was the impulsive wave 1. Then we have the correction wave 2. Then we had another very powerful and longest impulsive wave 3. And right now it is forming the correction wave 4. For example, if wave 4 will be the longer one to the downside, and it cannot overlap the wave 1. If I place this trend line at the highest price of wave 1, then you can see this is the territory of wave 1 that ends at $58,488, and the price end cannot touch this level. If the price end hits this level, then this Elliott wave structure will be invalidated, and in today's video we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this big descending triangle that was previously broken down, and you can see that the price end has re-entered the same triangle. And we will also take a look at this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern on the 7-day time frame chart. And after that, we had a powerful rally, and now the price end has formed this up channel on this 7 days time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for MLN, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this trade setup I shared on 12th of July 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. You can see that the price line nicely moved up and read the sell target zone here. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin, and this is the 4-hour time frame chart. And on this 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that for the past several days, Bitcoin is completing an Elliott wave structure to the upside. This was the impulsive wave 1, correction wave 2, another impulsive wave 3, correction wave 4. And this wave 4 cannot overlap the territory of wave 1. If I place this trend line here, then you can see that the territory of wave 1 ends here at $58,441. And if wave 4 hits this level, then this Elliott wave structure will be invalidated and we will have to recount a new wave structure. And now, if we take a look at the RSI oscillator, then you can see that RSI is still showing a bullish divergence as RSI is forming higher low. You can see that the next low is higher than the previous one. At the same time, the price line is forming lower than previous. It is forming lower low. RSI is forming higher low. This is a bullish divergence signal. That is another signal that is reinforcing this view that the price line will not hit the highest price of the territory of wave 1 that ends here at $58,441. And soon the price line can start the formation of wave 5. And while forming the wave 5, the price line can also break out the resistance of this descending triangle. You can see that on the daily time frame chart, the price line has formed this descending triangle. 2 days ago, we broke down the support, recovered back very soon, and restarted this formation of Elliott wave. And while the formation of this Elliott wave, the price line broke out the resistance, the previous support of the triangle that was at $60,000, and that was breaking at the resistance, and now the price line has broken it out. And if the price line breaks out the resistance of this triangle, then technical target for this breakout from this triangle will be here. That will be approximately at $87,000. Therefore, this level, the territory of wave 1, that is at $58,441, is a very important key level. We need to keep an eye on this support level. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this big falling wedge pattern. And I've been showing you this falling wedge pattern when the price line was moving inside this wedge here. And I was telling you that the movement is quite squeezed. Therefore, at any time, Bitcoin can break out this wedge, and then we can expect a technical target at the top of the wedge, approximately at $70,000. And you can see that the price line broke out the wedge and rallied beyond that target. But here it has formed a double top at this resistance zone that starts from $69,000 and goes to $73,794. A few weeks ago, we broke down the support of EMA 21 on the 7 days time frame chart, but again, bounced very well from the support of this big up channel. But you can see that again, it is getting rejected by this resistance on and trying to break down this support of EMA 21 within next few hours. The weekly candlestick will be closed. If it will be closed below EMA 21, that will be the bit critical situation because in that situation, the pricing can further move to the downside to test the support of the channel. And if this weekly candlestick will be closed above this EMA 21 on the 7 days time frame chart, then there will be a very high probability that soon we may see another attempt for the breakout from this resistance zone. By the way, right now, the EMA 21 is moving at $62,048. You can, by the way, watch the value here at $62,048. And if the price then breaks out this resistance zone, then we can expect that soon it can hit the resistance of the channel somewhere here, approximately at $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.